These are the chopsticks of Noir. Let me tell you a little story, shall I? There was a girl named Mary. She lived on a farm. They had sheep. Mary hated it when the lambs were slaughtered every spring. And so she decided she was going to save one of them. Her Betsy Blue, her favorite, her friend. And so she picked her up. But there was snow. It was cold. She ran. But lambs are heavy. And she couldn't keep going. The lamb's fleece was just the same color, or lack thereof, of the snow around them. She could easily get lost. But they went together wherever they went, and this time was no different. But it gets very cold when you're not prepared, especially for the weather. And being a little kid with no shoes, running in a nightgown, well, you better let your survival skills kick in if you want to survive this. And so she found a way to make a fire, getting dry kindling some kind of way, buried deep under the snow. But she was going to starve here, that was certain, if she could just make it till morning. Luckily, she had a lamb with her, and they are delicious. Okay, I know it's supposed to be like the chopsticks of Noir, but I don't know, Noir seems a little boring to me, so I kind of spiced it up a little here. So you have control. You have some control over the effect that these products have. I mean, it affects everyone differently, because some people fight it, some people go with it, some people add to it. It depends for me.